Welcome the How To series. Today I am going to guide you how to getting started with Ebscohost eBook. EBSCO eBooks is an online platform that provides access to a vast collection of electronic books, eBooks, for academic, research, and professional purposes. Here is the quick way for you to access Ebscohost eBook. First, go to IMU Library portal. Then, click Login button. Click Login via IMU email. After login process, click eBook section. Scroll down a bit, and you will see Ebscohost eBooks at number 11. You can choose to access Ebscohost eBooks via eZproxy login or Shibboleth. You are now directed to the landing page of Ebscohost eBook collection. We strongly encourage you to register for individual account in Ebscohost eBooks. To register for an account, click Sign In. Next, click Sign Up. Fill the mandatory required information, and click Create Account. From the eBook collection screen, you can search eBooks by keyword, browse by category, or use the carousels to view highlighted or featured eBooks. Click the View All links to view a full result of highlighted or featured eBooks. To search for eBooks by using basic search, enter your search term and click Search. From the result list you have several options. You can refine your results using the limiters and subject facets in the left column. View the table of contents for an ebook by clicking the table of contents link here. You can read the ebook full text in PDF or EPUB format, or download the ebook to read offline at a later time, or view the pages of an ebook. When you click a PDF or EPUB full text link on the result list, the book opens in Book Viewer. Click the download icon to download a chapter of the ebook title you are viewing. Click Search within to search for specific terms within the full text of the ebook. Click on the hyperlinked keyword match in the column on the left to go directly to the page on which your keyword appears. You can create My Notes to create a note about the text that can be saved to your personal My EBSCO folder. Click Dictionary to look up words in the Tools menu above the ebook. Click Full Download button to download the ebook to your computer. Click Print Pages to print pages from EBSCO ebook. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our social media, IMU Library.